I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing accounts and devices. This step gets you running quickly. Sign into your Google account or make one if you don't have it. Once done, install the Google Family Link app on both the parent device and the child's device so they can communicate. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active and note the child device passcode. Family Link pairs devices. This pairing is why you need both devices present. It establishes parental controls and supervision from the start. Now you create the family group and add the child account. This configures supervision. In the Family Link app, tap Create Family Group and confirm the parent account. Google will show a brief overview of permissions. Then choose Add Child. Either sign in with an existing child account or create a new one. Follow prompts to enter name, birth date, and password. Once prompted, compare the pairing code on both devices and allow the app permissions on the child device so location, app activity, and limits can be managed. Finish by setting controls that reflect your rules. This is where supervision becomes practical. Open the child profile in Family Link and set screen time limits, daily limits, and a bedtime schedule. These enforce consistent usage. Next, review app permissions and require approval for app installs so you control downloads. Once configured, verify location and activity reporting. If something goes wrong, retry pairing. Confirm both devices run the latest app version and check that permissions and network are enabled. That usually resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.